Hello students, as we started our 6th standard syllabus and we completed first lesson and have given some homework also. Hope you did that homework. Today in this video we are going to start our second lesson, that is, let us use the gratitude. Let us use the gratitude. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn about latitudinal lines, longitudinal lines, about globe. So, this is new video for you, new techno savvy video for you, and your textbook is appearing on the screen. So, see the textbook properly and listen me carefully what I am going to teach. So we will start now. Make friends with the globe. See, here the picture of globe has given. And observe the globe and answer the following questions. It has given. Okay. Figure number 2.1. The globe. What are the horizontal lines on the globe called? What are the horizontal lines? Horizontal lines means these horizontal lines. This means आडव्या रेषा. These lines. These horizontal lines. These lines. Okay. These horizontal lines are called what? Did you just notice that? You know that about these lines? These lines show. These are vertical lines, okay? But these lines, these lines. What does it means? Are called latitudes. Are called latitudes. Means horizontal lines drawn on the globe are called latitudes. Then what is the question next? List the continents and ocean through which the equator passes. List the continents and ocean through which the equator passes. Equator line. See, where is equator line? In this one, this black line is called equator line. This line, this line is called equator on the globe. Okay, so the globe I am showing you on the screen. This black line is called equator. This line is called equator on the globe. Okay. So they list the continents and oceans through which the equator passes. Answer is Africa, South America, Asia. These are the continents. Oceans, Pacific, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean. This one. See. Pacific Ocean, this middle line. See. Then again Pacific Ocean on east side. Then Atlantic Ocean, this one. Atlantic Ocean, and this middle line is equator. This middle line is equator. So Pacific Ocean is there, then Atlantic Ocean is there, okay, then Indian Ocean is also there. this Indian Ocean, this one, this is India and this is Indian Ocean. Okay, so see all the markings what where just I am going to give you. So note down in your notebook properly, keep textbook also and notebook also in front of you. So all these are the continents and oceans on the globe. Then next question is encircle the intersection of 0 degree meridian and 0 degree parallel on the globe. Okay, so you should have to attempt that. Students may attempt these questions of their own on the globe. Encircle the intersections of 0 degree meridian and 0 degree parallel on the globe. You should have to just draw that on your notebook. Okay, do that. Then which oceans are spread in all the 4 hemispheres? Which oceans are spread in all the 4 hemispheres? See this is equator line, no? Okay, this upper side is northern hemisphere, this is southern hemisphere, this is eastern hemisphere, this is western hemisphere. Okay, so in all the 4 sides just we are observing that Pacific Ocean is there. Yeah, it is spreading towards 4 sides. Okay, this Pacific Ocean. So answer is Pacific Ocean. Okay, observe this screen. Then next question is, say which continents are spread in all the 4 hemispheres? See, which continent is just spread? See, equator line, you know that this one is equator line and this is prime meridian line, this middle prime meridian. So in all 4 sides, this Africa continent, see there, this Africa continent. Okay, this one, this is north side, this is west side, this is east side, this is south side. So in all 4 hemispheres, I think Africa is spread here. This is Africa, this is also Africa, this is also Africa. Okay, in all sides this Africa continent spread. Okay, that is the answer for you. Then say at which 2 parallels do all the meridians converge? At which parallel do all the meridians converge? Where it meets all the meridians? Where? At 90 degree here, this at 90 degree here, and here north 90 degree. Then just we are going here north, then see this is 90 degree south parallels. Okay, there these meridians converge at 90 degree north and 90 degree south. Note down this answer. So this is homework for you, and make sure that you should have to write all these answers what I have given to you properly. Note down all these answers. So after this I will show you short slides for you of latitude and longitude. Then one video is also there, see it properly, then we will go further. Okay, see this. You will understand properly this one. Okay, you will understand properly these slides. Let us use the graticle or lesson. This one, see here, objectives of latitude and longitude are distinguish between latitude and longitude. Explain how latitude and longitude can be used to locate places on the Earth's surface. Okay, these are the objectives for latitude and longitude. Okay, then question is there, in share few continents shown on the map. In which continent is Taj Mahal located? Here Taj Mahal is located. Okay, then can you see horizontal and vertical lines marked in the globe? So see here, horizontal line called as equator, horizontal line called as equator. So see, latitude and longitude, this is equator line, this one equator line, and these parallels are latitude, and these lines are longitude. Means this is equator line, and equator is also called latitude. Okay, and this middle line is prime meridian, prime meridian. Okay, this is called longitude. Okay, we can just find out location on the globe or place on the earth by combining latitude and longitude, any location on the earth. Okay, so these are latitude and these are longitude. The earth is divided into lots of imaginary lines called latitude and longitude. Note down this, the earth is divided into lots of imaginary lines called latitude and longitude. These horizontal lines are called latitude, these vertical lines are called longitude. Okay, North Pole and South Pole has given here. Then latitude shown as a horizontal line is measured in degrees north or degrees south of equator, which is the line around the exact middle of the earth. Equator, we know that. This line is, see here, this line is of Arctic Circle. This is of Tropic of Cancer on degrees. This is Tropic of Capricorn. This is Antarctic Circle. So these degrees are given: 66 degree 30 minute north Arctic Circle, 23 degree 30 minute north Tropic of Cancer, 23 degree 30 minute Tropic of Capricorn south, 66 degree 30 minutes south Antarctic Circle. So all these are the parts on the globe. Okay. So note down all this information in your notebook. Next part we will see in next video properly. So whatever markings I have given, mark down properly. Hope you will understand this video, technical video, techno savvy video. We will again show you slides and videos as well as textual explanation also properly. Okay, while teaching, note down all these things. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.